This is my project on the Hockomock Swamp by Max James. The Hockomock Swamp is an important area in the Bridgewater region. It is part of the Massachusetts Area of Critical Environmental Concern Program, ACEC, which designates places within the state that receive special attention due to their natural and cultural resources. The Hockomock Swamp is home to many endangered species and varied plant life. Its history is also very cool, gaining its name and reputation as a paranormal place. The Hockomock Swamp is approximately 16,950 acres. It is considered the largest vegetated freshwater wetland system in Massachusetts. The Hockomock Swamp covers areas of Bridgewater, Easton, Norton, Raynham, Taunton, and East Bridgewater. Many rivers and lakes/ponds are in the Hockomock Swamp. Some of the rivers are the Hockomock River, Snake River, and the Town River. Some of the lakes/ponds are the Gushy Pond, Hewitt's Pond, Nankit Pond, and Lake Nippinkit, which is known locally as the Nip, and is a popular recreational area for the Bridgewater residents. The Hockomock Swamp is home to many interesting plants and animals. It contains oak conifer forests, cultivated fields, and emergent freshwater wetlands. There are also many red maple trees and sweet pepper bushes. When the conditions are just right, these two plants dominate hundreds of acres of the Hockomock and create its most distinctive look. Also, distinguished holly is found in the Hockomock Swamp. 15 to 20% of the Hockomock Swamp is also dominated by Atlantic white cedar. Many species of endangered animals have been found. To be precise, 13 rare and endangered species can be found in the Hockomock Swamp. But these endangered animals have also been threatened in some way. Some of these animals are the blue-spotted salamander, Blanding's turtle, eastern box turtle, coastal swamp amphipod, and the mocha emerald dragonfly. The mocha emerald is found in the Hockomock Swamp and eastern United States, Florida, Michigan, Iowa, and Texas. Sandy or gravel ground is important for their habitat because the females like their eggs to be in that particular type of soil. While the Hockomock Swamp is an important area for the plant and animal life, the Hockomock Swamp is also under threat. Some of these threats are habitat conversion and residential/commercial development. Habitat conversion happens when trees get cut down and people turn the swampland into farmland. The Hockomock Swamp is also threatened by the building of homes and businesses. The Hockomock Swamp gets its name from the Wampanoag tribe. It means place where spirits dwell. Wampanoags depended on the Hockomock Swamp for food and to praise the spirits for the moose and deer they got from the swamp. But their history with the Hockomock Swamp was not always a good one. A war took place, and the war was called King Philip's War. The war took place from 1675 to 1676 between the Wampanoags and the English. While the war was going on, King Philip and his people hid in the Hockomock Swamp where they thought they were safe. But 173 of King Philip's men died or got taken prisoner. 2 of these people were King Philip's wife and son. The war became part of the Hockomock Swamp's legend that states that the swamp could be haunted. While the Wampanoags called the Hockomock Swamp the place where spirits dwell, the early English settlers called it Devil's Swamp. This name fits with the swamp's reputation for paranormal phenomenons. The Hockomock Swamp is at the center of the mysterious area known as the Bridgewater Triangle, which is about 200 square miles in size. Within the Bridgewater Triangle, there have been many sightings of mysterious happenings. There have been many sightings of low-flying UFOs, Bigfoot, cattle mutilations, Indian curses, and ghostly apparitions. The first sighting was documented as a UFO on May 10th, 1760 at 10 o'clock in the morning. More sightings have been documented since this day. Also, the Hockomock Swamp is home to the Pukwudgies, which are dominant small humanoid creature that have been thought up by the Wampanoags. Pukwudgies are known to be troll-like creatures that grow from 2 feet to about 3 feet tall and lure people to their death. The Hockomock Swamp is a great place for people who like to be outdoors on a warm day, and for people who like to get a little scare every once in a while.